Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It is Tuesday, and we are just here to give you another live update. Back from the weekend, guys. We just wanted to give you a new look. Go ahead and let you know in advance it's very windy today. So, apologize in advance for the wind. And as you can see, it's also a little cloudier view than what we normally see. But again, I assume that's thanks to the winds. Give you a couple of minutes for everyone to join. And yeah, guys, so this is just the afternoon update. We didn't have any updates over the weekend, and just wanted to come out and give you a new look at Taal, and then also update you on the happenings in Tagaytay. For the most part, Tagaytay is mostly shut down. Most of the restaurants are still open, but only for takeout or delivery purposes. There's really no dine-in. Majority of the stores are open for grocery shopping and essentials. So,
magandang hapon po. Ayan. Andito po kami ngayon ulit sa Tolentino West sa Tagaytay-Columba Road. Medyo umiiwas lang po tayo sa mga mataong lugar, kaya nandito po kami sa viewing deck dito. Sa ngayon kami lang ang nandito. Umiiwas lang po tayo dahil nga tumataas po yung kaso ng COVID. Pasensya na po, mahangin, kaya medyo maingay, tapos marami ding nagdadaan ng sasakyan. Anyway, gusto lang po namin bigyan kayo ng live view ng Taal. Ayan po. Again, lagi po namin sinasabi, wala kaming inaanunsyo na kahit ano. Gusto lang namin pakita sa inyo ang live view ng Taal from Tagaytay-Columba Road in Tolentino West po. So, kung nakita nyo po yung update ng P-Box, meron po tayong 102 volcanic earthquakes and 87 volcanic tremors. Tumaas po uli siya galing sa kahapon. Kahapon 26 lang yung volcanic earthquake, 27 naman yung volcanic tremors. Tapos po bumaba naman yung sulfur dioxide emission natin from 1184 kahapon, ngayon 1013. Ayan po. Hindi po kami nakapag-update kahapon. Pasensya na po uli sa mga nagme-message kasi po nag-aantabay lang din kami kung may ano ba sa Taal, at medyo umiiwas din po kami na maglabas-labas ngayon dahil sa COVID. Ayan po. So again, ito po live view ng Taal from Tagaytay-Columba Road, Tolentino West sa Tagaytay.
yeah, guys, we just wanted to bring you another update since we didn't do any updates over the weekend. As you know, things are getting a little busy here on the weekends, so we don't always do updates on the weekends, but we want to at least give you a look as of today.
Medyo takot din kami din lumabas dahil sa COVID, so kaya hindi po kami nalabas pag weekend.
So yeah, guys, if you're just tuning in, this is a live look here in Tagaytay. It's just one of the general overlooks. I'll give you a quick look here. So it's just right off Tagaytay-Columba Road. Again, apologize for the wind noise, guys. It's very breezy today. It's been breezy probably for the past 24 hours.
Mainit ngayon sa Tagaytay, pero yung nakikita namin ngayon dun sa may lake, medyo breezy. Ayan po.
Get you as good a look as we can, guys.
Walang ano man, salamat din po. Salamat Miss Mariel sa panonood. Usok po sa ano po yan, sa andito may nagsisiga. Ayan po, sa mga kakapanood lang, andito po kami sa viewing deck ng Tagaytay-Columba Road. Dito po sa Tolentino West, Tagaytay. Ayan po. Pasensya na po dun sa mga nagme-message sa amin. Hindi po kami nakapag-live dahil umiiwas din po kami maglalabas ngayon. Ayan po, pero gusto po namin mapakita sa inyo kung ano nakikita from Tagaytay. Wala naman pong anything visible to the human eye. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang po yung pagdadasal. Pasensya na po, napakahangin po ngayon dito sa Tagaytay. Napakainit pero napakahangin.
Alright guys, trying to block this wind as much as we can. Maybe eventually we'll get some microphones that do that.
Ayan po. So dito sa Tagaytay, walang fog, walang kahit ano, pero doon sa Maylawa medyo hazy.
Just tuning in, we'll go over those statistics one more time, just to give you the latest update. And if you missed anything, guys, obviously you can always go back and watch. And we appreciate everyone who's sharing this feed, guys, because we do get a lot of viewers. Sometimes you miss the live updates, so make sure to punch the live updates so that you'll know when we go live. And as always, guys, feel free to share.
Okay, sa mga hindi po nakakita ng bagong statistics po from PBOX, sa bulletin nila kaninang umaga, yung volcanic earthquakes po natin, tumakas ulit from 102 ngayon from 36 kahapon. Tapos yung volcanic tremors, 87 ngayon from 27 kahapon. Yung sulfur dioxide emission naman natin, bumaba, kahapon 1,184, ngayon po is 1,030. Mahangin ngayon, pero mainit siguro dahil sa magma sa ilalim. Hindi po namin alam, pero baka dahil din summer na rin po kasi talaga, kaya mainit.
Alright guys, we will wrap this one up, but as always we will bring you news if it comes and try to keep you updated as possible with the lockdown for the next few weeks. Tagaytay is fairly empty, the streets are not crowded, so we will try to get out as often as we can and give you live looks and live updates.
Ayun po, dahil kasama po kami sa NCR Plus, kaya parang naka-lockdown na rin kami. Pero wala pong lockdown ng NCR Plus. Nag-iingat lang din po kami dahil po tumataas, lampas 8,000 na po yung cases kahapon. Para kahapon lang, new cases ng COVID. Kaya nag-iingat din po kami. Ingat din po kayo. Ayaw natin sumabog sana dahil mahirap mag-evacuate tapos may COVID pa. Grabe yung exposure na mangyayari sa mga kababayan natin na lilikas. Anyway, ayun nga po, kahit po Feebox, hindi nila alam kung sasabog o hindi. Magagawa lang po natin is magdasal.
Thanks so much for watching. And we will bring you updates. But until next time, guys, stay safe. And thank you so much. And we will see you again soon.